One, and here we go. Drivers are off, man. Look at that intake go. We call that gear ratio. As they're going ahead with a pass, it looks like one pass. As they loaded that into their shooter, can they get lined up, get it in? With a shot in, and that is hit in down low. They pick up the other ball, see if they can get that one loaded up as well. As the guys see they're watching the lady sitting on herself to grab it and score it, and that's another one down low. He's sitting there, and she's just doing all the work, and that's what I call taking leadership right there. And with that sound, drivers get a switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. The drivers have switched gears. We're getting down to the last 30 seconds of this match. He's calling for a change of strategy as he's heading in. He says, go shoot, go shoot. And can they get it in with a shot down low? And another one is in here, and she is still taking charge. And that's what, once again, I call leadership. 12 seconds remaining. Here we go again, getting down to the close of this match here. 8 seconds. Can they get another shot here? We're going to get there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up high in the close of the match. They get that one.